What is happening with you guys? Welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are all doing well. I'm doing great, man. Can't complain. Another day, another blessing. You already know how it goes. We have an exciting one tonight, man. We got 1320 video. They're going to be out here in Cali tonight. So there's going to be a ton of fast cars coming outside tonight. This car is definitely not 1320 video quality right now. This thing has low compression. We already tested it a long ass time ago. I didn't find that out until I did the whole new setup. I did bigger exhaust manifolds, bigger turbo manifold, bigger turbo. This thing's on a 7675 now, which is a pretty decent sized turbo, especially to have it under the car. And this car should be making a minimum of like 880, around 900 right now at the boost level that it's at, and sadly it's only making like 750. So that's why after we took it off the dyno, we're like, yo, this thing's making the same power as the old setup. Something has to be wrong. So that's when we compression tested it and found out pretty much all cylinders are low. Although the car does drive normal, it hit boost fine. I could drive it anywhere, you know, the car still runs, I would say pretty good, but it's just down on power. That's really the only symptom that it's having right now. That's pretty much the reason why this car hasn't been outside. I just really don't see a point to take it out. It's on a whole ass bigger turbo and is making the same power that it was on a smaller turbo. I'm pretty sure there's going to be a lot of fast cars out tonight. Most of these cars are probably going to be over 850, 900, 1000. Nowadays, man, with all these 10-speed cars and these fucking B58s, these S58s, all these X-Drive cars, these things effortlessly make 800 plus. You know, times have changed, but I still truly feel like a real manual car with some boost, there's just nothing like it. Well, the manual cars might not be the fastest things on the street nowadays, but I can tell you firsthand, I've driven some pretty fast cars and nothing beats a manual. That being said, man, we're gonna bring the Z out tonight. F it. You know, I'll maybe try to pick and choose wisely if I do try to run somebody. I don't even remember the last car that I raced in this car. That's how long it's been. It's been a very, very long time. We had high expectations of this shit making a lot of power, and the fucking motor let us down. So I do have all the stuff to build another motor, which I'm currently in the process of doing. And you want to know what? We got more setbacks. The person that I bought the VHR crank from, since I'm doing a VHR bottom, gave me an HR crank. My life is just fun right now. I did the balance, the polishing, all that shit on a crank that I can't even use. Now I gotta drop a bag on some shit that I don't even need. Damn, man. Life has been lifing recently, I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Man, bro. I wish we had the new setup. Honestly, I think this car would be so perfect with like around 900. I feel like that would be the sweet spot for this shit. Everybody always thinks, oh, 1000, 1050. Trust me, some cars, all they need is 900. High tech. Can't wait to do a full makeover on this car. It's about that time. Puta madre. This is why I hate doing this shit, bro. They just changed the address 25 minutes away. Probably 15 minutes from where I live, but 25 minutes from where I just came. Fuck. Could have just stayed home, bro.
One eternity later.
Alright, guys. After like 2 hours, we finally made it. Got Kyle to go over here.
Yeah, I just want to say something. Yeah. Have you talked to him yet?
Pretty cool cars here. Alright, so I think the shop G80 has a locked-in race with the C7 over there. Sounds good. I guess we'll see if this thing works. Doesn't really like racing feel in cold air. Alright, well, R8 on bead locks. Sheesh, you got some old school? Yo, this is fire. Damn, on the CCWs? That shit is clean as fuck too. A Whipple in there? Sheesh. Fucking engine looks bigger than the car. That shit's badass. Another little Whipple. Sick. Oh, okay. Must be nice to have working valves. Sick ass fool. Damn, G, making me miss a 340. Little hood dump. Little Benz. That the homie Mikey? Okay, okay. That's crazy. That's exactly what my M4 looked like when I bought it. Shit sounds futuristic. Oh, hell no. Yo, that Camaro is so sick. Damn. Trying to think who I should go with. Alright, 1320s in the vet. No way everybody's going. That thing sound crazy. Title. Look like Mikey for the win. CS wants to run it. I don't know if we got room though. That's funny. I was the last one to leave. Now I'm the first one here. Well, that didn't quite go as planned. There was a really bad accident on the other side of the freeway, and I think everybody got stuck. Luckily, we were in the left lane, so we kind of snuck into the other lane and got out. But yeah, I think a lot of people, pretty much most of the pack, I think they all like literally got stuck. Nah, this is sketch though. What's the vet make, like 1200, 1100? I think. No good. No bueno. Everybody got out of the car, so they're both okay. Oh, but we gotta get out of here. Fuck, man. Shit dangerous, dog, on these cold nights. Rear-wheel drive ain't it, man. You guys literally saw me spin earlier. Well, thankfully, everybody made it out of the car. Car is completely done. It's done. This is my cue to go home, man. What a freaking crazy night. So as of right now, I don't really know the status on his condition. I know that they got him out of the car. Someone said that he possibly had a broken leg. Insane how fast things can change. Like, we were literally just talking like everything's normal, and next thing you know, his car's up in flames. Honestly, it's just mind-blowing how fast things can change. Cops had kicked us out, so we weren't able to stay there and, you know, try to help out or do whatever we could, but just hoping that everybody's all right. And you know, cars are replaceable, lives aren't. On that note, I'm just gonna end the video here. I'm gonna leave everybody in my prayers, and I just hope that everybody's okay. Stay tuned, and we'll be back. Catch you guys in another video.